Welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to see if we can even the score. Much better. I tell you, the chain could be sharper, but the problem was that the chain was on backwards. So I flipped it around and it's working much better now. So that works better. All right, so moving forward, we've got some branches here we got to clean off. Pretty much all the trees around here we got to clear off some dead branches. So that's something we'll be doing here later on. I just wanted to update. We tried to use a chainsaw yesterday and we had very limited success. So as suggested, we checked the blade to make sure that the chain was on correctly, and it looked like it was on backwards. It acted like it was on backwards. So we got that fixed. Alright, hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool. You too could be super cool if you give us one. Do you know what else is super cool? Yep, subscriptions. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you have, thank you very much. It is greatly appreciated. If you haven't, well, right now would be a great time. Scroll down, click the red subscribe button, click on that bell, get her done. Well, as always, thank you very much and have a great day.